Day, ma'am and sir. I am Lilia R. Villarreal. I'm 42 years old. I am a single mother. I have children age 23 and age 15. I have experience working in Malaysia year 2015 up to 2017 in one employer only. My employer is elderly and I cook for them, wash the car, wash the clothes, and gardening. My second employer is in Singapore, year 2019 up to 2021. I look after the children, age 5 and 7. I do clean the house, cook for them, and wash the car. My third employer is elderly. I start work there at year 2021 up to 2025 of last April. My employer is elderly and I clean the 3-story house, wash the clothes, cook for them, and wash the car. That is my experience in working as a domestic helper. Thank you very much for choosing me. God bless. Thank you very much, ma'am and sir.